Skyrocket your sales, learn to ask the right questions, and master the art of communication. All this is possible if you understand the principles of Neil Rackham, the mastermind behind spin selling. In this explainer video, we will delve into the groundbreaking spin selling techniques that have revolutionized the world of big sales. Idea number 1, the spin model, a revolutionary approach to sales. At the heart of Neil Rackham's methodology lies the spin model. This powerful framework consists of 4 types of questions that guide salespeople through complex sales situations. 1. Situation questions. 2. Problem questions. 3. Implication questions. 4. Need payoff questions. Let's explore each of these in detail. Situation questions, setting the stage. Situation questions are designed to establish the background facts of your prospect's current situation. These questions help you understand the context in which your potential client operates. For example, a salesperson might ask, "Can you tell me about your current process for handling customer inquiries? How long have you been using your current system? What's the size of your team that manages this process?" While these questions are important, Rackham's research shows that top performers use them sparingly. They gather essential information without boring the customer with an extensive fact-finding mission. Problem questions, uncovering pain points. Once you have a grasp of the situation, it's time to dig deeper with problem questions. These questions aim to identify difficulties, challenges, or dissatisfactions in the customer's current situation. Examples include, what challenges do you face with your current system? Are you satisfied with the efficiency of your current process? Do you find any aspects of your current solution frustrating or time-consuming? Problem questions are crucial because they help the customer articulate their issues, making them more receptive to potential solutions. Implication questions, amplifying the problem. Implication questions are where the spin model truly shines. These questions explore the consequences or effects of the problems identified earlier. They're designed to make the customer feel the full weight of their challenges. For instance, how does this issue affect your customer satisfaction rates? What impact does this problem have on your team's productivity? If this situation continues, how might it affect your company's growth plans? Implication questions are powerful because they magnify the problem in the customer's mind, creating a stronger desire for a solution. Need payoff questions, highlighting the value of your solution. The final step in the spin sequence is the need payoff question. These questions guide the customer to articulate the benefits of solving their problem, effectively selling themselves on your solution. Examples include, how would it help if we could reduce your response time by 50%? What would it mean for your team if you could automate this process? If we could solve this problem, how would it impact your bottom line? Need payoff questions are particularly effective because they let the customer verbalize the value of your solution, making them more likely to commit to a purchase. Idea number 2, the power of research in spin selling. One of the most compelling aspects of Rackham's spin selling methodology is its foundation in extensive research. Unlike many sales techniques based on anecdotal evidence or personal experience, spin selling is the result of a rigorous 12-year study involving over 35,000 sales calls. This massive undertaking allowed Rackham and his team to identify patterns and strategies that consistently led to success in complex, high-stakes sales situations. The research-based approach sets spin selling apart from other methodologies, providing salespeople with evidence-based techniques they can trust. Idea number 3, focusing on larger, complex sales. Spin selling is specifically designed for larger, more complex sales scenarios. While traditional sales methods might work well for small transactional sales, they often fall short when dealing with bigger deals that involve longer sales cycles and multiple decision makers. In these high-stakes situations, the spin model shines. It provides a structured approach to uncovering and addressing the complex needs of large organizations, helping salespeople navigate the intricacies of enterprise-level sales. Idea number 4, the danger of premature solutions. One of the key insights from Rackham's research is the danger of presenting solutions too early in the sales process. Many salespeople, eager to demonstrate the value of their product or service, jump into solution mode at the first sign of a problem. However, this approach often backfires. Rackham found that successful salespeople resist the urge to offer solutions prematurely. Instead, they use the spin questioning sequence to fully understand the customer's needs, challenges, and desired outcomes. Only when they have a comprehensive picture do they present their solution, tailored to the specific needs they've uncovered. Idea number 5, a new approach to handling objections. Traditional sales training often focuses on techniques for handling objections. However, Rackham's research revealed that in complex sales, the most successful approach is to prevent objections from arising in the first place. By using the spin model to thoroughly explore the customer's situation, problems, and needs, skilled salespeople can address potential concerns before they become objections. This proactive approach leads to smoother sales conversations and higher success rates. Idea number 6, commitment gaining, beyond the hard close. In the world of spin selling, the concept of closing takes on a new meaning. Rather than relying on high-pressure tactics or manipulative techniques, Rackham advocates for a more nuanced approach to gaining commitment. The key is to ensure that all of the customer's major concerns have been addressed through the spin questioning process. By summarizing the benefits that have been uncovered and confirming the value of the solution, salespeople can naturally guide the customer towards a positive decision. This approach respects the complexity of large sales decisions and recognizes that commitment often comes in stages rather than in a single dramatic moment. Idea number 7, the impact of spin training. One of the most compelling aspects of spin selling is its proven impact on sales performance. Rackham's research demonstrated that salespeople trained in spin techniques saw significant improvements in their results. In one study, salespeople who received spin training saw an average increase of 17% in sales volume compared to control groups. This tangible improvement underscores the practical value of mastering the spin methodology. Idea number 8, continuous improvement through analysis. Spin selling isn't just a set of techniques to be learned and applied mechanically. Rackham emphasizes the importance of ongoing analysis and improvement. Successful salespeople pay close attention to the details of their sales calls, reflecting on what worked well and what could be improved. This commitment to continuous learning and refinement is key to mastering the spin approach. By regularly analyzing their performance and adjusting their techniques, salespeople can continually enhance their effectiveness. In conclusion, Neil Rackham's spin selling methodology offers a comprehensive, research-based approach to succeeding in complex sales environments. By mastering the art of asking the right questions in the right sequence, salespeople can uncover deep customer needs, demonstrate the value of their solutions, and dramatically improve their sales performance. If you found this video enlightening, you might want to explore more groundbreaking ideas in adverting and mindset. For your next viewing, you have 2 exciting options. 1. The most interesting man in advertising, David Ogilvy. Dive into the world of one of advertising's most influential figures and discover the principles that shaped modern marketing. 2. Why most people have a fixed mindset and how to change it. Explore the transformative ideas from Carol Dweck's book, Mindset, and learn how adopting a growth mindset can revolutionize your approach to challenges and success. Click to start the next video. The choice is yours.